Today we're going to be discussing cleaning and basic maintenance of a wide glass table for PhotoRobot. The wide glass table has two drive motors that contact the underside of the glass with rubber rings. There's also a narrower table that only has one drive motor, but the maintenance is the same. So for general photography purposes, a glass cleaner such as Windex is perfect to keep the glass clean so you don't have any dirt or any artifacts show up in the images while you're trying to create that clean white background. But what we're really going to get into is the underside, because we need to keep this edge clean so that there's a nice clean contact between the drive motor and the glass. Let me get the table started. So I'm going to set the table to about 65% speed in the maintenance app, and then we're going to clean it while it's rotating. So we like to use something like 409 because it's got a mild degreaser in it that won't damage the rubber wheels. Try and stay away from the natural cleaners because a lot of those have oils which can build up and cause things to actually get a little slippery here. So I may have to force this around because now the edge of the glass is damp as well as the drive wheels. And there's a little bit of dirt coming off here now that I can see on the paper towel. So now I'll flip it over to the dry side. Kind of keep pushing it. Now I can see that the paper towel is clean. Do that till it appears to be dry. Now I'm going to go over to the drive wheel. Just be careful as you come underneath not to get your fingers caught with the wheel. You're going to put some light pressure up from underneath. So now we're going to be dampening the rubber ring that's on the drive wheel with the 409. As you can see, there's some dirt coming off on here, so we're getting some black spots. So I may move to different areas of the paper towel until it's clean and there's no more dirt. And you repeat this with both drive wheels on either side of this wide table. Your narrow table will only have the one wheel. Now I'm going to take a dry paper towel and do the same thing. So what I have now is I've cleaned both surfaces, so I have like a nice tacky kind of connection between the drive wheel and that glass. So now my table will stay calibrated and run a lot more accurately.